Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of you guys are excited about this tutorial. A lot of you guys was raving about this wig when I was announcing my giveaways and you couldn't wait for the tutorial. So this wig is from Celie Hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal body wave glueless wig. Okay, this wig is 180% density and it also comes pre-plucked, and that lace is super invisible and super thin. So if you guys want to see exactly how I was able to achieve this look, then please continue to watch. So as always, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing. Celie Hair sent so many goodies along with this wig, including hair care instructions, a bonnet, a head wrap, as well as an elastic band for you to tie down your hair. Okay, so here is the hair here. Again, this is their Body Wave HD Lace Frontal Glueless Wig, 180% density. That lace is going to come pre-plucked for you, and the lace size that I have is a 13x4, but it also does come in a 5x5 closure as well. The purpose of this wig is that you're able to install it with no glue, no gel to protect your edges. It's beginner friendly, so you don't need any skills, and it's a quick install because that lace is super thin and super invisible. Not to mention that hairline is super clean, and I mentioned before that it is pre-plucked, okay? So you guys, this hair is absolutely beautiful. When I installed it, it literally looked like I just came out the salon. So let's just go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. As usual, I'm going to fit the wig to my head. I definitely made use of that elastic band, and I also made use of those combs and the adjustable strap as well. That way I'm able to get the best fitting possible. Alright, so now that I got the wig fitting exactly how I wanted it to, I'm going in with my wax stick, and I'm also going to go in with my hot comb because y'all already know I gotta make sure that the top of my wig is flat. And I'm also going to give me like a little side part action or whatever, and I'm going to hot comb each side just so the top of the wig is laying flat and it looks extremely natural. Y'all see how gorgeous this wig looks? I'm telling you that Switch HD lace is nothing to play with. It's soft and it's super invisible. But anyways, right now I'm just getting rid of the excess lace and I'm going to get as close to the hairline as possible. Now, you guys are going to see me use just a little bit of spray, and that's only on the sides, and that's because I just felt like it was just a little bit too loose. But to be honest with you guys, it really has to do with the style that I'm doing. If I was doing a middle part, I wouldn't have to do all that because you wouldn't even see the sides, you know what I mean, especially if the hair was down. But because I'm doing a side part with some of the hair behind my ears, I really wanted the lace to just be, you know, still. So I'm just using a little bit of spray, but the wig is still pretty much glueless, and I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups and also put the comb underneath the wig just so you have proof that this wig is definitely glueless. Okay, so while I have that lace melting underneath this elastic band, I'm going to curl my hair. I did one side off camera, which you guys see, and I'm going to show you guys how I did the other side. Just so you know, I did use a little bit of Got2b glue spray on the curls because I didn't want them to fall, and I used my wax stick on top of the hair just to get rid of any flyaways or anything like that, because this wig was giving me like fresh out of salon, wash and set type of vibes, okay? So I wanted it to be really perfect. But anyways, while I'm doing this, let's talk about the hair. I already raved about this lace. This lace is absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you guys can tell. The hair quality, you guys, is completely top tier. It is 100% virgin hair. So no, I did not have any tangling. No, I did not have any shedding. And as you guys can see, the hair took to the curling iron very well, and the hair was super easy to work with. So this wig, you guys, is definitely one of those that you need to have in your collection, because I definitely think this is a really good beginner friendly wig. And if you want it even more glueless, you can opt in for the closure. This wig is definitely living up to its name. I fell in absolute love with it. It definitely gave quality for sure. Okay, so now that we got the curls out of the way, I'm just doing the final touches at this point. I'm going to finger comb the curls, and as you guys can see, they came out beautiful. I'm going to add some makeup onto that lace just so it could fit in with the rest of my face and look very, very natural. And I'm also going to give me some sideburns and a little bit of baby hair on the one side, which you guys saw in the intro. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will come back in a bit. Y'all know I had to give you guys a close-up. Do you guys see this? 100% glueless, and look at this lace, you guys. I was not lying. This lace is absolutely beautiful. Alright you guys, that is all for today's tutorial. I hope that it was easy to follow, and as you guys can see, this wig is just beautiful. Like, I can't rave about it enough. Shout out to Celie Hair for producing such an amazing wig. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all of the information listed at the very top for you guys to go ahead and make your purchase. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye.